guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Thur, and today's vlog I'm gonna share with you a simple way on how to remove pimples or how to get rid of pimples easily. Ayan. So I've been suffering from pimples a few weeks ago since nag-start na naman kami na dumami yung case, so we have to wear a mask even inside the office. Ayan. So dalawa o tatlo lang kami sa office. So before, hindi talaga kami gumagamit ng mask, but now we have to use mask since it's mandatory. So ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng pimple and ayan, so parang may tumutubo na naman nga dun sa nose ko, but then later I'll gonna use that one. So today, I'm gonna share with you another skincare regimen wherein we will use the yogurt and turmeric as mask to prevent acne and pimples as well. Always do a patch test first before trying any DIY mask to check for any allergic reaction. So what we need is a plain yogurt and a turmeric powder. Mix it all together. You have to clean your face first before applying the mask. Apply it to your face and neck. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off thoroughly. You can also use topical ointment, gel or cream to make it more effective. Actually, there is no overnight pimple removal, like walang magic. So yun lang is even sa derma, yan. So kasi I've been working before sa dermatology clinic, and doon usually ang ginagawa is nag-i-inject ng corticosteroid or what we call the kinocort, and then after that is i-prick nila with a needle and then extract kung acne na siya. So, meron pa rin talagang matitira na mark. So, wala talaga siyang magic na overnight na mawawala yung pimple mo. Yun lang is magsasubside, so hindi siya magtutuloy sa acne. Yun yung mangyayari. So, another tips to get rid of pimples is huwag nyo siyang ipiprick yung pimples nyo using your fingers or nails. Kasi alam naman natin na pinakamaduming part natin yung kamay kasi nga kung saan natin siya hinahawak, diba? So, ako talaga yung tao na ayoko talaga hinahawakan yung face ko na hindi ako naghugas ng kamay. Share ko lang, nung bata kasi ako, talagang before ako mag-teenager, in-advise ako ng mother ko na huwag mong kakalikutin kasi dadami siya. Wherein, ayun, natutunan ko nung nag-work ako sa derma na hindi naman pala talaga siya actually dadami. Yun lang is, syempre, madumi yung kamay natin. So, if we're not using the proper way, mas mag-worse yung pimples mo and then magto-turn siya to acne. So, nga sa clinic, ang ginagawa nila is, ayun, they're doing the extraction or the comedone extraction. So, they're using the comedone extractor wherein pwede mo rin siyang gawin at home. Ayan, so, ang gagawin mo lang is, kailangan mo is the needle, the sterile needle, and also the cotton bud. Ayan. Some people say na wala daw akong pores. So, pwedeng yun din yung reason kasi nga hindi talaga ako nagkutkot nung bata ako since na-warning nga na ako ng mother ko na wag mong gagalawin yung pimple mo. Just let it subside. Another one is, dun po sa mga gumagamit ng mask. Ako talaga is nag-change ako ng mask like 3 times a day or 4 times a day pa nga. Ayan. So, pag nabasayan, talagang pinapalitan ko siya. Syempre, yung hinga natin, so nagmo-moist. So, yun yung nagiging cause ng pimples. At nagkakaroon din siya ng, ayan, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga bacteria. Ayan, nag-ano dyan sa mask natin. So, saka yung surgical mask is, 2 hours lang talaga yung protection niya, even dun sa virus. So, para sa akin, lalo na yung sa mga hospitals, you have to change your mask every 2 hours. So, ako, since hindi naman kami exposed, doon na kami sa office, nag-change ako like 3 times or 4 times a day. Yun na yung pinaka-ano ko. So, syempre, double masking tayo pagdating sa labas. Ayan. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it and sana may tutunan na naman kayo na tips. So, so for my next video, I'm gonna share with you ano naman yung ginagamit ko for pimple scar removal. Ayan, so this one is very useful. Hindi lang siya sa pimple marks, but I'm using also this for the scar. Ayan, so alam nyo na product na to. So, ayun lang. So, just a review for it. So, ayun lang guys. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos from me. And always remember to stay kind, confident, and beautiful inside and out. Bye!